What is the Sloven formula? Equals n equals n divided by 1 plus ne over 2. N is the sample size. Small n is the sample size. N is the population size. And E is the margin of error. That is the Sloven formula. No? Magbigay tayo ng example dito. No? Pero if you are a social worker pala, no, imagine you're a social worker na and you want to survey your community. Pero you don't have enough resources to ask everyone. Or not just resources, pero even time, no? Sloven formula will help you understand or help you decide kung ilan yung tao. Pero magiging accurate pa rin kahit medyo konti, no? Konti with your initial target or initial population. Ito, let's give a scenario. No, you are working in Barangay Maligaya, which has 2,000 residents. You want your survey to be 95% accurate. So you choose a 5% margin of error. Ang ano natin dito, no, E is 0.05. Tapos yung ano natin, no, total population is 2,000. Yan. Okay, tingnan natin, no? Paano natin makukuha yan? Unang-una, yan. Write the formula, ang formula ng Sloven formula, no? Or formula ng Sloven. Tapos, i-transfer natin yung values. Zoom nga natin. Let us transfer the values, no? Transfer the values. That's 2,000, no? Yung total population nila over 1 plus 2,000, the population, and the margin of error, which is 0.05 over 2. Siyempre, unahin natin the exponent first, no? Yan, times mo yung 0.05 over 2 sa sarili niya. Ang masasagot dyan is 0.0025. Yan. And then, i-multiply mo to. No? Since ang nakuha natin dito is 2,001 plus 2,000. Wait lang. 2,000 over 0.0025. Yan. Imagine niyo na lang yan. Tapos i-times natin to, no? Makukuha natin is 5. Yan. Tapos, ilipat natin to. Ano nang ano natin kanina? 5. That's n equals 2,000 over 1 plus that's 5, no? Yan. N equals